Hi, my name is Ajit Alexander, and I'm the founder and head of product management at WhoIAM. WhoIAM is an identity and access management solutions provider, working with major household consumer brands, as well as state, local, and federal government clients. We design and implement identity solutions that make sure end users have secure, intuitive ways of logging into and interacting with their favorite brands or government public services. We also focus quite a bit on making sure that the clients we work with have strong, scalable solutions that hold up to fraudulent authentication attempts, purchase fraud, as well as bot-based attacks that we're starting to see a lot of these days. Rampart is built entirely in Microsoft Azure, and on top of your existing Azure Active Directory and Azure Active Directory external identities environments. Having a purpose-built user administration tool lets you give your help desk team an easy-to-use admin experience that's focused on digital identity management instead of having to do all of this within the Microsoft Azure portal. Rampart interfaces directly with your Azure Active Directory tenants by calling Microsoft Graph API to do your user profile updates. What this does mean is that you can use Rampart in headless mode without UI to have it integrate directly into your existing help desk tooling. Rampart lets help desk administrators manage support requests from users around things like resetting their passwords, their multi-factor authentication methods, or just to get access to all the apps that you've built. If you have several different consumer apps, you likely need to figure out which users need access to what apps and how much access they need. Rampart lets you provide role-based access control as well as app-based access control, and it also lets you delegate out administration tasks so that the right administrators are deciding whether to approve or reject user access requests. We've also built Rampart out to be fully scriptable via API, so managing multi-million user customer environments is quite a bit easier. Getting started with Rampart is actually very straightforward. You can find WhoIAM Rampart on the Microsoft Commercial Marketplace, along with a ton of in-depth product documentation. Once you're signed up, our team of architects at WhoIAM work with you to build the customizations that you need on top of Rampart, and then we deploy it into your Microsoft Azure environment. And what this means is you don't have to worry about sensitive end-user information leaving your organizational boundaries. Our engagement typically takes about 3 to 4 weeks to complete, and then you're on your way. For more information, you can go to our website at whoiam.ai. We're looking forward to working with you.